When you search for folding mobility scooters for outdoor use, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But trust me, the real differences are often hidden deeper. Product number 1, Sugogo Lightweight Scooter. Let's kick things off with the Sugogo Lightweight Mobility Scooter. Priced at $599.99, this scooter caught my attention with its impressive 4.6-star rating from 278 reviews. If you want a super lightweight option that's travel-friendly, this is worth a serious look. What makes this scooter stand out is its upgraded lightweight design. This means you can easily lift it into your car, and it's even cruise and airport approved. Plus, it has a range of 12.4 miles on a single charge, perfect for your outdoor adventures. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The quiet 270W brushless motor lets you tackle slopes up to 15 degrees, giving you the freedom to explore various terrains. With a speed of up to 6.2 mph, you can cruise comfortably without feeling rushed. It also features 8-inch flat-free tires and anti-tip protection, ensuring a stable ride. Now, some users mention that the seat could be a bit more comfortable for longer rides. Here's the thing though, while it may not have the plushest seat, the stability and safety features more than make up for it, especially for those looking for a reliable scooter. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, easy-to-transport scooter for day trips or travel. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more cushioned seat for extended use. Considering its features, it's a great value for your money. Now, if the Sugogo's price point feels a bit high, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget. Product number 2, Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Next up is the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter, retailing for $584.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 3,000 reviews, this one is a popular choice. If you're looking for a sturdy option that's easy to transport, this scooter is definitely worth a look. What's impressive about the Vive scooter is how it navigates both indoor and outdoor surfaces. It supports up to 265 pounds and offers a driving distance of 12.4 miles per charge. The 8-inch tires are flat-free and designed for durability, making this scooter a reliable companion on various terrains. Plus, with a maximum speed of 3.7 mph, you can feel safe while getting where you need to go. Here's why this matters for you. The comfortable padded seat and adjustable armrests provide a cozy ride, and the rotating seat makes getting on and off much easier. It even disassembles into 4 pieces for hassle-free transport, fitting easily into most car trunks. However, some users found the assembly process a bit cumbersome. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal-breaker considering the comfort and ease it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable scooter for both home and travel. Skip this one if you prefer something that folds into a more compact shape. For the features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually take the cake for portability. Product number 3, Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Now let's talk about the Vive 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter, also priced at $599.99. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,100 reviews, this scooter is another great contender. If you want a compact scooter that's easy to maneuver, this one is a strong choice. With a top speed of 3.7 mph and a driving range of 12.4 miles, it delivers on performance for outdoor adventures. The 8-inch tires are designed to prevent punctures, so you can feel secure taking this out. What's really great is the swivel seat and adjustable armrests, making it comfortable to get on and off without straining your back. And like its 4-wheel counterpart, it disassembles into 4 sections for easy transport. However, some users mention the weight is a bit challenging for some to lift. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize ease of use and maneuverability over weight, this scooter is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need a scooter that can navigate tight spaces and is easy to transport. Skip this one if you want something that feels sturdier on rough terrain. For what you get, it's priced well. Now, if the 3-wheel design isn't your style, the next scooter I'll show you offers a more stable 4-wheel experience. Product number 4, SKRT 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Next, let's check out the SKRT 4-wheel mobility scooter, which is priced at a very affordable $299.99. With a 4.3-star rating from 353 reviews, it's a budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality, this is worth considering. The 24-volt battery gives you a speed of 0.45 mph, which is great for both indoors and outdoors. Plus, it supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for various users. What really matters here is the 360-degree adjustable seat, which allows for easy access, particularly beneficial for those with mobility challenges. The heavy-duty tires and dual rear shock absorbers enhance stability, so you can ride comfortably over uneven surfaces. Now, some users pointed out that it feels a bit heavy when disassembled, but I'll be real with you, considering the price and the features, it offers a lot of value. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly scooter for casual outings. Skip this one if weight is a major concern for you. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something with extra features, the last scooter on my list could be the one for you. Product number 5, Rylox 4-wheel mobility scooter. Finally, we have the Rylox 4-wheel mobility scooter priced at $349.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 145 reviews, this scooter is a fantastic value. If you want a reliable scooter with thoughtful features, this one is definitely worth a look. One of the key highlights is its smooth ride, thanks to the 8-inch puncture-proof tires and anti-tip structure. It supports up to 330 pounds and can climb inclines up to 15 degrees, making it capable for various outdoor activities. Plus, you get a range of up to 15 miles on a single charge with a quiet 250W motor. This matters for you because the adjustable seat and flip-up armrests make it comfortable for extended use. The scooter also features dual baskets and a cup holder, adding convenience for your daily outings. However, some users found the assembly to take more time than expected. But here's the thing, the features and stability it offers make it worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded scooter with great features for everyday use. Skip this if you're looking for the lightest model. For what it offers, it's a fantastic deal. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic folding mobility scooters for outdoor adventures. The lightweight Sugogo, the sturdy Vive 4-wheel, the compact Vive 3-wheel, the budget-friendly SKRT, and the feature-rich Rylox. Each has its own strengths, so consider what's most important for your needs. Happy scooting!